Hello, my name is Clancy Rose, and I am from Cafe Medici, and here with Expert Village. And today we're going to be talking about preparing a double espresso. So the ingredients that you're going to need to prepare a double espresso is your grinder, and this is the hopper, and then this is the grinder, and you're going to want your beans, which I already have here in the hopper. And then you're going to, of course, want your espresso machine. And the parts on the espresso machine, this is the portafilter and the screen, or the basket, and steam wand. You're going to want towels to clean the counter. You're going to want, I definitely always like to have a timer around. There is going to be a certain length of a shot that is going to taste best depending on what coffee that you're using. So I always like to use a timer, your cups to hold your double espresso, and your tamper to tamp the coffee.